Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you this recipe that I came up with for a winter face cream. It protects your skin from the cold. You can wear it before you go out into the cold or even before you go to sleep. I've been wearing it before I go to sleep, and when I wake up in the morning my skin is really soft and supple. So if you're having any problem with dry skin or on any part of your body, this is the perfect cream for you. Now, there's just a few ingredients, but what I've done is I bought this package of cocoa butter. I ordered it right on Amazon. It's a raw, unrefined cocoa butter, and this is what it looks like in the package. So it's a big chunk. It's pretty solid. So what I've done is just cut about 1/4 inch off of this. I put it in a bowl and microwaved it for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I don't want it to boil, that's why there's still some chunks in there, but I'm just letting them melt along with the rest of the liquid, because I didn't want this to get too hot or to boil. So now with this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. I find that jojoba oil is the best for my skin. It just sinks right in, so I absolutely love jojoba oil. And that's what I prefer to use on my face. I'm also going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, which is very, very moisturizing. As you can see, this is very thick. It's not like other oils. It's very thick. I also got this on Amazon, and I paid around $9.99 for this as well. But a little goes a long way. So I added my oils to this bowl here. And now that this is completely melted, the cocoa butter is completely melted, I'm just going to get this chunk to melt too. I'm just going to add my oils. And then give it a stir. And I'm not going to blend this. You can if you want, but this is, you can also use a whisk. I'm just going to use my spatula to stir it. That's what I've been doing when I make this cream. And when I feel that it's fully incorporated, I'll just leave this, actually in the refrigerator is fine, but if you need it right away, you can put it in the freezer for around 20 minutes and it'll turn solid. But here I have a finished product that I made earlier today. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like. It's very creamy. And I had this in the freezer for about 30 minutes, so it's starting to soften up a little. It's been out for around 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's not like very hard and thick, this lotion. So it's very, because of the oils and the amount of oil that I put in, it's very easy to blend and mix and apply to your skin.